Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are going to look at dates. The right way you can use dates in order to benefit its benefits. Okay, so some of you have dates at home. Your man buys dates at home. Even your woman, sometimes she buys dates at home, but you don't know how you can use them to get good results. So if you have someone at home and you'd like him to work on his natural energy, to bring it back, to be called a real man living at home, sometimes we need dates. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use dates, okay, the right way you have to use dates, and other ingredients as you will see in this video, so that you get to know how you can make it for long living at home. Remember, this amazing home remedy is for educational purpose only. It does not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. Results may vary from a person to a person. So I'm talking to someone who is looking to improve on his energy, who is looking to get natural energy, who is looking to improve on his natural performance. So these are the things, these are the ingredients you can be using at home to make it happen, to bring back your happiness, to bring back happiness in your family. It's our task to bring happiness to these people. So if you get such amazing home remedies, which I always bring for you, and you make them at home, my dear, you cannot remain the same. You will thank me later. But if you're on TikTok or Facebook, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda Health YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, subscribing is for free of charge, and when you subscribe and you turn on the notification bell, you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So it's time to know how to make such amazing home remedy which will bring back your happiness. Remember, this may make it stiff and strong during that time at night. Most of my home remedies, we need a blender. So if you don't have a blender, I don't know whether you can succeed with such amazing home remedy which you're going to learn right now. So before we proceed, get a blender. Put it in your house so that it's easier for you to make or to prepare such amazing home remedies which I always bring for you. So let us start, guys. I know, guys, you know dates, okay? Dates. I think Muslims, you know dates mostly, and other people, you know dates. Go to your supermarket, buy for me dates. When you get your dates, get like a half a glass, put it in your container, add for me hot boiled water, okay? Soak your dates for at least 5 minutes. Reason why? To make them more soft. Now, after some time, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I want you to crush your dates using a spoon, okay? Using a spoon, and then you're going to filter your dates. Guys, are we together? But before I proceed, my dear, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, Coach Uganda Health. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel. And I told you, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, go to YouTube, subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? And by the way, you can request any video. Leave a comment in the comment section, guys. Why not? Now, from that, get for me ginger, guys. Fresh ginger, just a little piece. Make sure that it's clean, and you're going to grate your ginger, squeeze it, and get ginger juice. Now you're going to add 1 spoon to your dates, which you filtered, as you see, which you filtered. Add 1 tablespoon. It can be a teaspoon, but I request you to add 1 tablespoon, guys. Stop wasting money to buy pills, to buy expensive pills because you want to be a man. This amazing home remedy will make you to be a man at home. Just try it and thank me later, guys. I told you this video is for educational purpose only. It's not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any disease. Results may vary from a person to a person, guys, as usual. Now, from that, guys, you know ground nuts. Not so, ground nuts. I want you to get for me dry roasted ground nuts. Okay? Like half a glass. Now you're going to blend your ground nuts to make a paste. Now from that, you're going to get only 3 tablespoons of your ground nuts. Some people you call it peanut. Okay? Add them to your container, which has your ingredients at first. Guys, are we together? Now, lastly, we need natural honey. Get natural honey, raw honey. Add for me 3 tablespoons. Okay? It means all. Put them together and bring them again to your blender. Blend very well. From that, just get a glass and relax. Now, what do you expect when you take this amazing home remedy? When do you expect to get good results? When are you supposed to take this amazing home remedy? I tell you, if you're expecting to have happiness, you want to get happiness, this is what you have to take. This works only for one day. It works immediately when you are going for happiness, guys. So I want you to take that amazing home remedy before the happiness. Take it just before the happiness starts, before you go for work. This will give you maximum energy, natural energy, strong endurance, and you'll walk for long distances without getting tired. So take it before you go for work. My dear, you will thank me later. This is the best way you can make it, the best way you can get strong energy, natural energy, strong endurance, and without getting tired. So take it and thank me later. My name is Coach Uganda, and thanks for watching Coach Uganda on Coach Uganda Health YouTube channel. Love you so much. God bless you. Bye-bye.